Hi, and welcome to our tutorial on rebuilding the Elevate Smart. The tools that will be needed for the installation: a small flat screwdriver, pair of tweezers, a small fret screwdriver, number 3 hex key, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Now to start, remove the top lid, remove the 2 screws underneath, use the larger screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that hold the heating coil on either side. And set them aside. Now you will be able to remove the heating coil nice and gently by removing the middle screw with the hex tool. The bottom comes off. Then you can flip the unit over and remove the 2 screws on the board, like so. And set them aside. Now you are going to be able to push on the heating coil mounts, and by doing so